Hey guys, it's Valentine's Day weekend, so I wanted to show you a quick way to make your partner feel grounded and good in their bodies. We're gonna get into shavasana, which is obviously a favorite yoga pose because it just requires you to lie, be present, meditate, and let your partner help you feel good. So let's get started. You're gonna need a blanket or a pillow for this. And you're gonna start by sitting knee to knee in a cross-legged position. If you'd like, you can sit on that blanket, the shorter partner, so you can get a little higher so you're at the same level as your partner. So we're sitting knee to knee. I'm going to take my right hand to the center of his heart, and he's going to take his right hand to my heart. And then my left hand's going to go just on top of his, and vice versa. We're going to close our eyes, and we're going to breathe together. 5 deep breaths. Let's inhale. Open mouth. Inhaling. Keep breathing. Blink open your eyes. You should feel a little bit more connected with your partner now. And now you're going to help your partner get into shavasana. So, babe, you can lie back. I'm going to roll up this blanket to place it underneath his knees. So lie down. Awesome. Bend your knees. Okay, and then you can set them back down, babe. How does that feel?
Good.
Good. So constant communication throughout. We're doing this on a yoga mat and a rug. Definitely do this on the floor. A bed might be a little too much for standing, but just make sure everyone's comfortable. So I am going to come to his feet. I'm going to bend my knees and reach down and grab the bottom of his heels so I don't throw my back out. And I'm going to keep my knees bent. And all I'm going to do here is just tug on his legs. And that's just going to add some traction to help relax his lower back, his pelvis. I'm going to move side to side. You can even do kind of like a shaking tug, right? Whatever feels good. Is this okay for you, babe?
That's good.
Awesome. Love this because it helps to unlock pelvic tension. And it does require some strength, right? Especially if your partner's got big muscular legs. How's this feel?
Great.
Awesome. And I'm going to come right back through the center. You can kind of push and tug a little bit. And I'm just gently going to lower his legs back down. While I'm here, I'm going to just massage the insides of his feet. So find the arches and use your thumbs to massage. Does this feel okay?
Oh yeah.
Pressure's all right? Is it too much?
That's good.
Okay. Constant communication. Check in with each other. And then you can also pull, just a gentle pull on the big toe and then go down to each toe. Feels okay?
Mm-hmm.
Good. If you get a toe crack, you get a bonus gold star. Awesome. And then a little bit more love in the arches. Great. Now I'm going to work my way up his legs, just gripping his muscles, just doing a gentle massage. Now this grip is just to help him feel more grounded and present in his body. All the way up. Does it feel okay?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. And just notice I'm keeping my knees bent, just protecting my back. And then once I get up here, I'm going to find his hip bones. And then right below his hip bones, with the palms of my hands, fingers pointing out, I'm going to add some pressure. And then I'm going to shake. Got that? So I'm pushing on his hip flexors and shaking his hips. And this is also a great way to get grounded in the pelvis. Helps to unlock any tension. That could just feel really good. How's this?
Really good.
Too much pressure?
Mm-mm.
Okay, good. Good. Take one more breath like that. Awesome. And then I'm going to lift up. Okay, I'm going to keep going up his body. So I'm going to cross my wrists, one on top of the other. Palms are facing out. He's going to grab my wrists. So now we're grabbing wrist to wrist. And what I'm going to do here is really gently lift one shoulder up and then the other. Now see how I'm barely lifting his shoulders up, right? This is just to kind of take the weight out of his shoulders, take the pressure off of his chest area. How does this feel?
Perfect.
Awesome. Yeah, just be careful not to yank too hard. You don't want to lift up their shoulders while their head's hanging. Not the best feeling. But this, I think this is the best feeling. Good. Wiggle a little bit through the center. And then really careful, I'm going to switch hands so that I can really gently place his hands down, palms facing up. Now palms facing up helps the shoulders stay open. Great. Now I'm going to walk around to the top. And from here, you can find a seat or you can squat, whatever feels better. But you're going to take your hands to the tops of their shoulders and you're going to press down, right? So I'm going to push one side, then the other. And you can kind of see here a little bit of a wiggle. I want to see his body nice and loose. And just be careful not to push down this way. We're pushing down towards the feet, right? So think shoulders away from the ears. How's this feel?
Really good.
Yay. Awesome. So keep doing this a few times. Ask your partner to take a few deep breaths. Good. Find the center. Take another deep breath in. Find stillness. And exhale. Good. Then you're going to take your fingers like this, like you're scooping something up. But you're going to start from the base of their neck and then lift up towards the skull. So you're going to find that ridge. It's called the occiput right here where the base of the spine meets the skull. You'll find that ledge with your fingers and then pull up, right? So it's almost like I'm pulling his head away from his body. And adding pressure here really helps to release stress tension, can help release jaw tension, any chronic neck, shoulder, headache tension. This is really good. And now I'm just massaging, moving my fingers towards his skull. How does this feel?
Really good.
Too much pressure or is it okay?
It's good.
Awesome. And then you're going to do one final tug, pull, and relax. Awesome. So he looks very relaxed right now. To finalize this practice, I'm going to place my hands one on top of the other over his heart, and we're just going to breathe together. Let's do 5 deep breaths again. And you can blink open your eyes. Just gently move your hands away from the center, down his arms, and maybe a Spider-Man kiss. So it's up to you what you want to do now. Looks like he might take a nap. Happy Valentine's Day to you. We did it.
You did it.